Hi, this is Casey with C&S Marine Electrical, here to show you how to install SiriusXM SXV300M1 and connect it to your SiriusXM Ready Marine stereo.
Installing the tuner and antenna to your boat is a simple process, so you'll be able to start listening to SiriusXM in no time. Step 1. Confirm if your marine stereo is SiriusXM ready. Look for this logo on the front of your marine stereo packaging or on the stereo. Step 2. Connect and mount the SXV300M1 Marine Tuner. You'll need to access the back of the SiriusXM Ready stereo and plug the tuner into it. The SXM tuner is a specific plug, and the SiriusXM Ready stereo will have a dedicated port to receive it directly on the back of the unit, or on a pigtail coming from the unit. Secure the tuner behind the stereo using wire ties. Thread the wire ties under the molded bracket on the underside of the tuner. Then secure the tuner to a bracket or wiring harness using the wire ties. Avoid installing the tuner near any moving parts, and avoid mounting close to heat vents or heat sinks. Step 3. Choose the best mounting option and location for your antenna. Options include surface mount, low profile mount, pedestal mount. Once you've made your selection, place the antenna somewhere on your boat that always has a clear, unobstructed view of the sky, not blocked by a hardtop. Check for an antenna signal before permanently mounting. Check the signal strength indicator on the head unit, or tune to channel 1 to check audio quality. Connect the cable to the antenna, but do not over-tighten. The fitting should be snug, or hand-tight. Over-tightening will break the connection. Then, connect the other end of the cable to the SXV300M1 tuner. If the cable passes through an exterior surface, an appropriate marine sealant should be used to waterproof the location. Step 5. Activate your SXV300M1 Marine Tuner to start listening to SiriusXM. Make a note of your radio ID. You can find the ID number on a label on the bottom of the packaging and on the back of your SXV300 tuner. If you ever need it, an activation signal can be sent at any time from SiriusXM.com/refresh. Activate SiriusXM by calling 1-866-635-2349 or visit SiriusXM.com/activate now and enter your radio ID. Activation usually takes 10 to 15 minutes, but can take up to an hour. Please leave your boat stereo on until you see a confirmation message on the screen. Check out all the great channels and programming available on SiriusXM at SiriusXM.com/channel guide. Now, start enjoying SiriusXM for good vibes on the tides. Most SiriusXM subscriptions include access to streaming via the SXM app at no extra charge, so you can enjoy SiriusXM anywhere you have an internet connection.